Okay, so time to prepare for winter. So let's change the tires and we'll check the cooling system and change oils and oil filter. And if you have these patterns, you need to check this rotation arrow, that is right side. Okay, always check the air pressure from the tires. This seems a bit low. I have this air compressor and you can see your pressure usually from the door. This is with low weight 2.4 bar. Under 1.5. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's check the cooling system. It's at max. Okay, I use this antifreeze coolant tester. There's the fluid level. You just suck from this. And this shows the level. Let's see what it shows. So looks like minus 35. When you add antifreeze or coolant, you put 50% the raw stuff and 50% water. That's the ideal freezing point. duration. Let's add some wiper fluid. Always at the blue cap here. Okay, now we do the oil change. I had this cream in here, so we need to clean all of these. If it freezes, it will blow out the oils. We'll open this valve cover up and see. Okay, so that's bad. We take this out. So we can pour out the oils while we clean this up. Let's make a can out of this where we can put the old oil. I just raise it a bit so I can fit underneath. Always have a backup plan if the car falls down. This one has a either square tool for this, or I don't know if this will last, but I use the square tool. This doesn't quite fit to the bolt, so I make one from this. This should be good. Everything has been cleaned up, so we can put all together now. Let's check the spark plugs too. These are in fair shape, but we can clean this up. Now we can change the oil filter. That's over there. That's a 27 mil. I don't have long extension, so I use this. This is a custom tool. I just grinded that end, so it would go to this. Like that. Oh my god, this is so tight. Here's a little tip. I usually clean all the old oil from the filter place, and then I blow air from here. It will take out all the old oil from the bottom. Okay, now we put in the new filter. Now the new filter is in. And now we can pour in the new oil. It's at the top now. We'll run the engine and check again when it's settled. Check that there's no leaks at the filter or at the bottom. Okay, there was no leaks and the oil. That's a bit high, but doesn't matter. Good to go. That's just a standard maintenance, but it's good to prepare for winter. And that's a good little car. Maybe the kind words affects her and she will run a bit longer. Of course I dropped my tool underneath there. There it is. Needed to remove this cover. Always like this. How the does it even get there? And of course, this usually happens.